Hey everyone, my name is Meredith Moore and I'm an account manager here at Nova. And today we're going to go over how to use our plan sponsor link. So let's get started. This landing page you see here is for our plan sponsor link website. Your username is always going to be the email address we have for you on file. So if your email address changes, make sure you tell your account manager so that can be changed in our system. For people, this is when you're first time coming, you can use the first time user link. It will email a temporary password to you, and then you can reset and use your own password going forward. If you have a password but you don't remember what it is, you would need to click on Forgot Password, and another password will be sent, and you can reset your password. Account managers are not going to be able to help you reset your password, so you're going to need to go through it on this website. So let's log in. When you log into our website, you will be taken to a screen like this that has many tabs at the top. One of the busiest tabs you're going to have is your active tasks tab. This tells you what you need to look at. It's basically like a to-do list. This is your to-do list. If you come over here, you'll see a bunch of different tasks. You'll have some things that you just need to download like this. And once you are to download it, it will be sent under a different tab. And you will also have several projects that you will need to complete. The projects will remain out here under the Active Tasks tab until they have been completed. So one of the most common projects we have out here is the data collection task. So you can always type that into your search screen and it will come up and you'll be able to see it and start and click through. This is the same thing that you do every year where you'll just click through each tab, you'll verify the information, you'll upload your census data, and you will submit that to Nova. Specifics on how to do that will be in a different course. So if you have questions about that, be sure to check out that course. But that is where your active tasks will be. That's your to-do list for your plan. As you go through, your next one will be distributions. Distributions will show you what is pending for your plan at any given moment, where they are in the process. So if you have a question, you're not sure what's going on for your plan, that's a very helpful tab. The projects tab stores various projects that are going on for your plan at any given time. Some of them might be incomplete data if you're working on census. Some of them will just be various things like that. If you have questions about a certain project in that tab, please be sure to reach out to your account manager for a different information. When you complete your annual data collection tasks, it will go under the data collection tab. So you will always have at least a record of doing some of your prior data collections. It's a great reference tool to have. Some years, some of the questions may change a little bit, but it is nice to be able to go back and reference things that are under that tab. Of course, if you have questions, you can also reach out to your account manager. The Plan Documents tab is a very important tab. It houses your adoption agreement and your various plan documents at any given time. When you go out here, be sure to download them to your system. Nova will hold them out there, but we do have an archive list and we do archive them periodically, typically every 7 years. So it's nice to have some of these in your own records as well so that you can reference. Of course, if you can't find something you're looking for, you can always reach out to your account manager and they can also help with that. One of the nicest tabs we have out here is the Secure File Exchange tab. This is basically a way for you to send information to Nova securely, and it's a way for Nova to send information to you securely. What you would do is you would click under Secure File Exchange. You would click Add a new exchange. You would select your account manager from the drop-down menu or Nova Distributions, whomever you're sending it to, and you would attach what you need to send and send it. There is a separate class about how to use the Secure File Exchange that goes into more detail, but this is a very nice tab to use and is something that you can use frequently. The Bulletins tab houses a lot of important information too. Typically, this is just for information that doesn't quite fit under plan documents, but it is a very important task to have. So periodically, just go out here and check your bulletins, make sure that you've seen what is out there. And the last tab that we have is the Contacts tab. Obviously, this contacts tab is very important. That's what we use, one, for people that have access to your plan on Plan Sponsor Link, and it is what we use to contact you if we need you. So be sure to keep that up to date. You can make changes on here. You can contact your account manager and they can make changes for you, but the contacts tab needs to be up to date. And that's all we have for today. Like I said, there will be additional classes about submitting data collection, and there are classes online about the distribution tab and the secure file exchange. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.